Good afternoon for Bridal Fabrics. Today I'd like to tell you about a new sample book that we've added to our range. This one contains our range of glitter tulles. We've noticed a real trend, a real upsurge in popularity over the last few months of these particular designs, so we've been adding to our range. And having reached sort of 20 different versions, we thought it would be really useful for our clientele to be able to have one of these books on their premises and then offer potential brides a full different range, compare them side by side. So you can see that each of the glitter tulle comes attached to an A4 sheet with a little bit of information, and there's a big enough swatch so you can lay it over a garment or a different fabric and feel it, just to get a full appreciation of each one. So there's around about 22, 23 different samples in this book, a real good range, and we hope you find it useful.